Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video I will show you how to set a data limit on Windows so you can save internet and avoid extra charges. So let's get started. So firstly, click on the start menu, then search for settings, or you can press Windows plus I to open settings. Now go to network and internet, scroll down, then click on advanced network settings. Here you will see data usage. Click on data usage. Here you will see enter limit. Click on it. Here you can choose monthly, daily, weekly, one time or unlimited. I will choose monthly. Then select reset every month on first of the month. Then unit in the GB. Now I will enter the amount like 70 GB monthly. Then click on save. Now whenever you will see how much I will used till now, 69%, 48.31 GB. And that's it. Windows will now track your data and warn you when you are close the limit. That's how you can easily control your internet usage on Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.